how to attach a socket to a Makita cordless drill. Now, if it has an end like this, it's quite easy to do. You could put it in, tighten it up, get one final tighten, and there you go. However, if you're constantly changing bits here and you need different size sockets, what I recommend is taking this out and getting yourself a bit holder. This is a DeWalt one. They come in many different brands. However, I do like the DeWalt one. So all you do is the same again, put it in, tighten it up, get one final tighten, get your socket bit, put it in the end here, which is magnetic, so it won't fall out, as you can see. And again, very similar setup, but this allows you to quickly change out the bit like that. So that's how easy it is to add a socket to your Makita cordless drill. If this video helped you out, help me out by smashing a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.